Okay, Stockman. This is hospital. Stockman. My name is basically Stockman was a person name. Okay, Stockman was the person name. Eldridge was the person name. But established people always think this is both people enter into the hospital. My name was Stockman. His name was Eldridge. In this condition, hospital, there was a serious violation. Any violation always start from here: religion, expression, liberty, or equal rights. Any two. Okay. So why Eldridge was bound? Eldridge was bound by the charter because there was a government policy and program for the deaf person. They were not implementing that government policy and program. So charter applied to that condition. If once room 32 has been established, then you have to jump into room number second. What is room number second? What right is Mr. Stockman? What right is going to be infringed? 2A, 2B, 715, I will explain. But no, Eldridge, and Eldridge. But in Stockman, my name is Stockman, charter doesn't apply. And there was no substantial degree of government involvement. There was not government policy and program. Which, what do you think? What do you think? What do you think? It means they can make they can make any policy which is against the Charter of Rights? No. At the end, again, McKinney versus University of Gulf, chapter number 55.5c, McKinney versus University of Gulf, charter had indirect impact on the private body through Human Rights Code. Ultimate, everything is bound by the charter.
Sorry, repeat that again.
Within the, okay, apart from these grounds, which is listed, everything is independent of government. Everything is independent of government. Charter does not apply. Okay, then we have to look at in exam whether any substantial degree of government in control. Douglas versus Douglas, charter apply. Then government policy and program, again charter. Oh shit. Hello?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Sorry.
Yes.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hear you, sir.
Sorry about that. Is the guy, he's keep calling me there. I always very punctual. If I'm gonna start 7 o'clock, it means 7 o'clock. I never wait for anyone who are in time. Why I'm gonna waste time for those who are already in time? If you are late, that's your problem. That's not my problem, right? If I can wait, so I'm totally free guy. I'm available Monday to Friday. You can call me 100 times a day. Doesn't matter you are my student, you are not my student, I am under oath. Doesn't matter you are not my student. Give me a call. But if I'm gonna start 2 o'clock, I'm not gonna waste. Again, he's keep calling me. Stupid आदमी. Hey guys, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Sorry about that. Some non-professional people always in my class. Sorry about that.
Fine, sir.
Okay. So at the end, everything is bound by the charter through Human Rights Code. For example, this is my office. Just imagine, this is my office. This is my grocery store. This is my
Grocery store.
answer diya kya na?
Okay.
You understand face expression or no? Face. This is my grocery store. If I'm gonna write in my Hindus are not allowed in my grocery store. Okay, Hindus are not, because I'm a racist guy. Hindus are not allowed in my grocery store. One of the Hindu, he is trying to get into my grocery store. Security guard was there. He said, "Oh, you are Hindu. I need your ID. Oh, your name is Prakash Sharma. You are not allowed. Get out." So Hindu was get out. Same exam question. There was last year there was exam question. He was very upset. He came to your office. My name is Prakash Sharma. I'm very upset, and you have to write a memorandum for me. So first question is whether charter apply to grocery store, which is the guys, can you please turn off your mic? Okay. Charter apply to the, okay, just 1 second. Charter apply to the grocery store, which is a private store. I'm owner of the grocery store. This is my private office. Okay. So first question, what happened? Mr. Sharma, he was very upset. He stepped out from the grocery store because there was a serious violation of room number 2. What right? Based on religion, based on section 15 equal rights. You cannot make any discrimination based on religion. You are Hindu, I'm Muslim. No, 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 no. This is Canada. Okay, I was very upset. My name is Prakash Sharma. I was very upset. Came to your office. You all people are constitutional lawyer. You have to write a memorandum for Mr. Prakash Sharma. Question start. First question, whether charter apply to the grocery store, which is a private grocery store. Rule, cut, copy, paste. Then look at substantial degree of government control. There is no issue with substantial degree of government control because no one is executive. I am executive. Okay. There is no government involvement. Leave it substantial degree of government control. Government policy and program. I was implementing government policy and program. Mr. Sharma, get out. I'm not going to entertain you. You are Hindu. Okay. Then last question. Private body. Within the criteria of McKinney versus University of Gulf, charter had indirect impact on the private body through human rights code. Ultimately, my conclusion is my grocery store was bound by the charter through human rights code. If you're going to read McKinney versus University of Gulf, chapter 55.C, something like that.
Sir, I have a question.
Your voice is very slow. Can you please speak louder?
Sir, can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you.
Sir, so my question is, in case the example which you gave of grocery store, so how could government policy and program was applicable in your case?
There was no issue with government policy. There was no issue with, if I'm going to build my grocery store, I was implementing, before I'm going to start my grocery store, there was some government policy and program. If I'm implementing all government policy and program, so I'm not bound by charter through substantial degree of government control or implementing a specific government policy and program because I'm implementing.
Sir, so if in your grocery store it was written no Hindus were allowed, so that was not a part of any government policy. So
this is not a government policy. This is a okay. This is a second room. First room, there was no government policy. Okay, government policy has nothing to do with Charter of Rights. What is Charter of Rights? Freedom of religion, freedom of expression, section 7, section 15. So there is no government policy and program. There was, it's going to cover under room number 2. So first question is whether charter apply to the body. Okay, we have to look at, we're going to solve the exam question. We have to look at any come from this body, any substantial degree of government control. There was no issue because I'm owner of the grocery store. I am the owner. I was not appointed by a federal government, by provincial government. Rule out substantial degree of government control. Government policy and program. There are only 2 government policy and program for wheelchair person, for deaf person. Otherwise, there is no government policy and program. At the end, if you're going to read McKinney versus University of Gulf, charter had direct impact, indirect impact on the private body through human rights code. Then next question. Okay, next question. What right is going to be infringed? Then we have to jump into Mr. Sharma. Okay. Computer guys, just I need your eye contact. I need your, basically section 32 is done. I'm a judge here. Okay. I'll give you one scenario. Okay. I will give you one scenario. Okay. Okay. No, don't worry about scenario. So basically, okay. First question, whether charter apply to the body. Second question, room 2, 2A, 2B, 715. Then what is room 3? Oak test. What is oak test?